Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is just after 1 o'clock in Honolulu, 7 o'clock in New York on Thursday, 28th day of March 2024, and this is the daily report for gold and silver, our weekend review. Subscribers, wow, is the only word I can describe to what we have seen gold do over the last couple of days. As you know, we rolled over our April position into June, which is now most active. We are looking at a continuous contract, and we got in just under 2,200 per ounce when we sent out the trade alert. Gold was trading at 21.98. So wherever your fill price was, it was below 2,200, but that was history. Today, we have gold up $39.40. It's a 1.78% rise, which means that the current position we have in June 2024 gold is now fixed at $2,254.80. Also, yesterday we did finally raise our stop because we had some profits. We moved our stop to approximately $2,204. Traders, take a look at today's low, $2,207.50. But that also is history because we are well past that. Trading is closed for the extended holiday and will not reopen until Monday morning. And traders, what amazes me even more is the spectacular move in gold occurred with dollar strength. We are looking at a daily Japanese candlestick chart of the dollar index up 0.26% and fixed at 104.598. So traders, we are in below 2,200. Gold is currently trading above $2,250. What am I looking at and what do I think we'll see in the near term? I draw your attention to the pattern that we identified called a bull flag. The way a bull flag works is it basically begins with what we call the flagpole. And that is where we have this parabolic move in gold. And from there, it traded sideways with a bias to the downside. And you can see these brown lines, they are creating the flag. And the principle behind this pattern is to measure the price move of the pole. That is this line here. Then we basically clone that, replace that at the bottom or low of the pattern and extend it forward. The top of the flag basically predicts where the market will go if this pattern is true to form. And the forecast by using this pattern is above 2,300 at $2,328. Now, does that mean that we will see the market rise straight to that price point? Well, probably not. When we look at the way gold is traded, it's sitting here at just above $2,050. From there, it rises from $2,050 to $2,214, a $164 rise. It then moves sideways. This was the actual break. This is what actually triggered our initial entry into the market itself. It moved against us, did not stop us out. We started to make money, and then yesterday was the time we had to roll over the position from April to June, which we did under 2,200. That's this point right here. We moved our stop tight to 2,204, but the low was 2,207. It was a tight move, but we are out of danger now with a stop way below current market pricing. The caveat to all of this is tomorrow we will get the most current inflationary numbers. The forecast right now is that the core PCE will remain about the same at about 2.8% year over year, and that's what the Federal Reserve looks at. Headline will tick up, and the question is whether or not that will cause the Federal Reserve to reevaluate the timing and magnitude of the rate cuts later this year. I still am anticipating the first cut to occur in June. I believe, all things being equal, the probability of 3 rate cuts of 0.25% each FOMC meeting that they enact that is still in play. Of course, at any moment, strong data could alter that particular projection. And that projection, by the way, is not from me. That's what the Federal Reserve laid out in its latest dot plot and anticipation of where the cuts will be this year. 2025 as well as 2026. Traders, maintain your long position, maintain your current stop. Silver also had a good day, up 1.26%. That is a rise in July silver of 31.5 cents. We are long July silver a little bit above this price point. However, when silver came down, our stop was not executed, and we are still long and in this trade. And I believe if we see a continuation of the metals moving higher next week, the level we want to look at is $26. That is this top that came in on the 18th day of March. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you after the weekend on Monday. Have a great 3-day weekend. Bye-bye.